This is my setup, and to a lot of people, this is probably heaven. I mean, we've got the dual monitor setup going on and a PC. But as a tech YouTuber, this just isn't gonna cut it. So in today's video, I'm gonna be changing everything. To start off, I decided to strip everything down to just the cables, leaving us with this massive pile of mess in the corner. The plan is simple. I'm gonna build 2 IKEA desks along this entire corner of my room, and then move these PC parts and this other mess on the other side somewhere else completely. Attaching the legs is super simple. You pretty much just screw them in, and that's all there is to it. I built one side, but I still gotta do the other side, and then I'm gonna add some wall panels right there. Both of the desks are done, and I've attached them using these little metal brackets since I didn't use the leg in the front corner. As you can see, I just drilled them on, and they should do the job and hold up while I use this side for my PC builds and unboxings. It does feel pretty stable, so I should be good, as long as I don't put too much weight on here. At first, I was going to use super glue to attach the wall panels, but then I realized that mounting tape is probably the better option. So this is what we're going with to attach them to the wall. At this point, it's looking super nice, but I still have to reinstall my neon sign to the center, and I'm also going to add this IKEA shelf above the panels. Now, unfortunately, this Billie Eilish poster that I've had forever is being replaced by a white pegboard, and I'm going to try to use these little hooks to hold my extra keyboards and controllers for some wall decor. This is where we're at right now. Still got to upgrade my PC and switch this stand out for a white one. And then I want to find a white dual monitor stand for these 2 monitors since they're still using the ones that they came with. By the way, the mic I'm using was sent to me by Maono, link in description for everything in my setup. Anyway, I went ahead and put this shelf up and put some anime figures on there for some more decorations. I also put up these wall lights that were sent to me. And then I went ahead and added these LED lights under the shelf. I just don't like how the dots are showing so brightly, so I'm gonna have to diffuse it later, but it doesn't look bad at all. I added a strip behind my monitors here so that they can reflect off these white wall panels, and it does look pretty good. Another strip went along the edges of the pegboard, and this little touch of lighting does a lot for the setup. It looks a lot better in person. In my old setup, I had these black shelves. I decided to leave them up, but I ended up painting them white, which makes them look a lot cleaner. Now for the biggest upgrade. As you all saw, the PC I was using was looking a little sad, so I built a brand new PC with all the RGB to match the setup. This is definitely gonna make the setup look a lot cooler. My chair was uncomfortable and the red just isn't gonna work in this setup. So I got this nice white chair that's way more comfy and matches the color scheme a lot better. For cable management, I bought this plastic container and made holes in the corners so I could put zip ties to keep the lid all the way closed. I also painted these cable raceways to match the wall. You could just push a zip tie through the hole, pull it until the lid stays closed, and there won't be any more cables peeking out. As long as you can't see any cables from above, it's all good. And with that being said, our setup is finally complete. You guys have no clue how much it means to me that you watched this video. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.